Hey everybody, so I'm making lotion today. It's going to be a honey cocoa lotion, and I'm adding the glycerin into my water mixture. I've used organic honey powder in the water mixture, and this is the glycerin. Then I'll come back and show you the blended oil, cacao butter, mango butter, and emulsifying wax, which we're going to blend with our water, honey, and glycerin to make a thick, creamy, moisturizing lotion. And we're going to scent it with blueberry and vanilla. And here we have the cacao butter, avocado oil, emulsifying wax, and just a tiny bit of beeswax. And to that, you always want to add a little bit of vitamin E oil for that extra layer of preservation. I will be using Germall to preserve the lotion because there's water in it. You definitely want to use some kind of preservative to stop bacteria and molds from growing in it. With body butters, you don't really need a preservative as much. The vitamin E acts as an antioxidant to help mold from growing on it if there's no water in it. So now we're going to add the water mixture to the oil mixture. Give it a little hand stir with my wooden stick. And at this point, once I get it hand blended just a little, I'm going to transfer it into another container so I can blend it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've transferred it to my blending cup. I'm probably going to mute this part of the video because it's a little loud, but I'm going to start whipping it, and then you will see it start to turn into lotion. Start on low, very low. So it's going to take about 5 minutes of whipping and blending to get it to the thickness I want. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's nice and thick now. So at this point, I'm going to add my scent. I've already added the vanilla. So now we're adding blueberry scent. This is double concentrated, so you do not need much. Okay, so it's the actual thickness that I wanted. It's still warm, so as it cools, it will thicken. Alright, so it's all whipped up. Nice and creamy. And as I said, when it cools, it'll be a bit thicker. But this is our blueberry vanilla whipped lotion. It's avocado oil, cacao butter, not cocoa butter, cacao butter, glycerin, and honey. with vanilla blueberry scent. Smells awesome.